We're at the Choctaw Resort and Casino here in Pocola, Oklahoma. A lot of horses. This is how Pocola plays. They have a pretty large parking garage here. They have an ice machine and Coke machine. Take a quick room tour here. That's the bathroom mirror. There's the bed. Here's a view from the window. It's dark outside, so can't see anything outside. I'll do it tomorrow morning. Give you a window view. Pretty nice room. Let's go check out the bathroom. It's right by the door. Here's a view of the bathroom. Got a shower and bathtub. They have a microwave and a refrigerator. Good morning. I just went downstairs to the coffee shop. Got a pecan roll or pecan roll and a cup of coffee. Good way to start the morning. Here's the morning view from my window. And it looks like we're on top of the casino. That's not snow, it's just white paint is what it looks like. but it hasn't snowed here this morning. It's real cold, but it hasn't snowed. See a little bit of the parking lot. They have a parking garage and a huge parking outdoors. Some more down on that end, the parking outdoors.